welcome to today's daily healthcare tips. I'm Karen with a C. So recently, a lot of people that I know have been working from home. Quite a few of them complain to me that their eyes feel sore and dry, resulting from sitting in front of the screen or doing craft work reading without a regular break. So today I will talk about 3 easily found herbs that could relieve your eye symptoms. The first one is wolfberry, also called goqi in Chinese medicine. You can find them in the mixed-lot section in Pak'nSave or any Chinese pharmacies. So these goqi berries could improve vision and reduce the risk of glaucoma, as they contain high levels of healthy antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. In Chinese medicine, it could also relieve dry eye syndrome by nourishing your liver yin that connects with the moisture of eyes. The next herb that I'm going to introduce to you today is mulberry leaf, also known as sangye in Chinese medicine. Mulberry leaves contain various minerals and nutrients. It could help to brighten your eyes, improve blurred vision, eye redness, and eye allergies. In Chinese medicine, it is also known for moisturizing nails, soothing your liver, and dispelling wind heat, which could also help with headache and dizziness. The last herb that I'm going to talk about today that is also good for your eyes is chrysanthemum, 菊花 in Chinese medicine. It could remove heat from the liver and improve the red, itchy, and oozy eyes. It could also provide relief from eye fatigue. And with its flavor and taste, just imagine it. It relaxes your body and mind. So, these are 3 easily found Chinese herbs that I introduced you today. If you think this video helps you, please give me a like, share, and follow. And one more thing to add, if you want to know how to make the herbal tea for your eyes that properly suits your condition, comment herbs below, and you will get the information immediately for free. I will only give out 30 today, so don't miss your chance. Comment herbs below now. If you have any other questions, you're welcome to message me directly via my Facebook page or leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.